Welcome back to the Hot Kitchen, guys. Today is part 2 of the authentic Jamaican turkey neck with hard food. Stay tuned and watch the process, guys.
So yes, guys, welcome back. You can see that the turkey neck is now been transferred from the pressure cooker.
This is it, guys. Have a look.
In here, look at that.
Tell me.
Look
Tell me, guys.
at this.
You tell me. Isn't this not oxtail?
Wow. Brilliant. And guys, look at this. Look at that. But guys, for those of you who are just joining, today in the hot kitchen, we are doing curry turkey neck and hard food. Hard food meaning dumplings, that's cornmeal dumplings, yellow yam, that's Jamaican yellow yam. You have banana,
and some pumpkin.
Look at this. It is cooking down in some lovely coconut milk, and you can see the season with your natural seasoning like thyme, like spring onions, like you name it. Yes, and you can see the flavor. The pumpkin is giving it that lovely yellow flavor. Guys, this is the hot kitchen right here in London, and we're extremely happy to have you on board. If you're just joining us, if you're just joining the hot kitchen, we are cooking today curry turkey neck with hard food. You would have missed part 1 already. You would have missed part 2, and this is part 3. So I think you should go back to watch the other 2 parts and then come right back here, because you would have seen the process, how the hot kitchen boss prepared this meal. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. It's always a pleasure having you in the hot kitchen. Now you can see that the boss is adding some more natural seasoning into this pot. And don't forget, it has already been blended into this lovely sauce that you see there. This is just extra. This is just a little extra going in for taste, for flavor, the aroma. Guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful right here in the hot kitchen. Stick and stay, guys, because you're going to see us sampling this lovely meal. Yes, and I want to shout out to my members again. I'm shouting out Best Kitchen Only. I'm shouting out Donna British. I'm shouting out Mary Max. I'm shouting out, I think, Navid. Yes, Navid. I'm shouting out Fluffy D for TV. Guys, welcome to the live.
Look at this, guys.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Guys, the aroma. I'm not showing off here.
Oh,
I'm speaking truth here. I'm telling you that this is epic right here.
Some green bananas and some pumpkin, guys. Some yellow yam in here. Some nice cornmeal dumpling. We have some pumpkin in here. Cooking down coconut milk.
Wow.
Well seasoned up with spring onion, your garlic, your thyme, spring onion.
Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, this is your time. You cannot afford to be missing these. You need to hit the notification bell so that every time we go live, you're the first to know. Yes, man. Hit the notification bell, guys. You see what's going on and the hot kitchen boss.
The flavor.
Yes. Yes. Hot kitchen boss is right where he belongs, right here in the hot kitchen, where it is always epic. Yeah, man. Turkey neck, curry turkey neck with hard food. Guys, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. And like I said, if you haven't yet been a member, the time is now. Yes, if you haven't yet been a member, the time is now. AC boy. AC boy is out there. Yes. AC boy wanna go inside. AC boy is wagging the tail. He's saying, let me in. Let me come in. But not right now, AC boy. Yes, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Stick and stay in the hot kitchen because it's not over yet. Guys, stay with us. Stay with us on this epic adventure. This is Savvy's Hot Kitchen right here out of London. Stick and stay with us, guys.
All right.
Guys, look at this. Look at the finished product. Wow, I can show you as well from the pot. Look at this. It was fantastic. Look at this. Look at the finished product, guys. Look at this. This is curry turkey neck. And I can tell you now that it's sumptuous. It's nice. It's delicious. Look at this, guys. The hot kitchen boss just look at this. And then this is the hot food pot. You can see that. Wow, you can see that it's demolished. Yeah, man. This was a big hit right here. Right here in the hot kitchen. And guys.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys.
Look at this. Look at that.
This was cooked down in coconut milk, guys. And it's well seasoned. Yeah. Some yellow yam. Some cornmeal dumpling and some green banana. Some curry turkey neck. You don't get better than this, guys. So delicious. This
wow.
is divine.
Divine.
So
I
good.
told you.
So good, guys.
I told you guys that it's epic around here. And guys, thank you for sticking and staying. If you're home and you're thinking that, listen, what can I cook? I'm telling you that this is a great meal. And it's filling. You've got yam in there. You've got dumpling in there. Look at that bad boy.
We have this.
Look at the bad boy.
Avocado as well.
This and one here.
Wow.
Has to be in the Jamaican kitchen. This bad boy. We are not making any salad with it. We are eating it the same. Yeah, man. Guys, welcome, welcome, welcome to the hot kitchen where it's not normal. And I can tell you now that this dinner here is delicious. It is heavy food. It is hot food. But after you finish this, you do not eat for the whole day. I can tell you that.
So,
yeah, man.
It is so good, guys. So good.
Brilliant, brilliant, so brilliant. So, guys, let me tell you now that the hot kitchen boss has done what he's got to do again. Yes.
So delicious.
Yes.
This is amazing, guys.
So guys, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah, man. That is it, guys. So guys, we have made it to the end of another video. So what you do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah? And remember, in my kitchen, me there. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner now, guys. So have a nice one. Whether day, afternoon, evening, have a fantastic time.
Or night.
Or night, yeah, man.
Yes, guys.
So I'm just gonna enjoy my meal.
Thank you so much.
So keep it locked to Savvy's Hot Kitchen. Wow.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Peace out. Peace out. Catch you guys.